Draw a happy bumblebee. Hey friends! Today we are going to draw an adorable happy bumblebee together. Draw the big oval body of our bumblebee. Add the round head right on top. Now draw the lower left wing. Same wing shape on the lower right. Draw the inner left wing curve. Same inner wing curve on the right. Draw a small circle for the left eye. Same circle on the right side. Now add our bee's happy smile. Draw the first black stripe across the body. Add the second stripe below it. And one more stripe at the bottom. Draw the left antenna going up. Same antenna on the right side. Tiny curve at the left antenna tip. Add a white sparkle in the left eye. Same sparkle in the right eye. Fill the right antenna tip with black. Fill in the left pupil with black. Add a rosy pink blush on the left cheek. Same rosy blush on the right cheek. Color the left eye white. Fill the lower right wing with light blue. Color the upper right wing ice blue. Color the head bright golden yellow. Fill the body with golden yellow too. Amazing work! You just drew a happy bumblebee buzzing with style. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to Sea Crow Art for more fun drawing tutorials.